Hello, today I want to highlight our mix and match feature. With WeBrand, your users can easily combine content from multiple templates, no matter the format, whether for presentations, flyers, reports, or any other brand materials. If your users are looking for a smarter way to energize existing content, like a presentation, and create tailored experiences, WeBrand makes it effortless. Instead of starting from scratch, users can select and blend layouts, slides, or sections from various templates already available in the workspace. This saves time, boosts productivity, and ensures everyone stays on brand. Whether it is showcasing company milestones to stakeholders or a sale presentation, there is no need to reinvent the wheel. The mix and match feature allows users to reuse, combine, and customize content using brand-approved and compliant templates, giving them room for creativity within set guidelines. This provides the flexibility to create personalized, on-brand materials for any purpose. Another major benefit is our strong permission system. Any restrictions or approvals set on the original templates carry over automatically. This ensures only approved content can be accessed or edited in the new asset, keeping your brand materials secure and compliant. With built-in workflows for sharing, downloading, or printing, your brand stays in control of how every asset is used. Your users get freedom to create and express, while your brand stays consistent and protected, no matter the format.